When you are proactive with your nonprofit's marketing, that's when you start to build community, gain your constituents, and end up having donors that are eager to donate to your organization. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how I use a social media content calendar to plan out content for nonprofits and make it go from chaos to easy. Stick around till the end of this video where I'll be giving you a free resource you can use to plan out your social media content. For nonprofits, there are 3 key ways you can approach planning out your content. The first one, which is the one we'll really be going into depth and the one the content planner is built around, is that you use content pillars. What are content pillars? Content pillars are broad topics and overarching themes that your target audience might be interested in that really showcases your organization. So great content pillars for nonprofits could include thank yous, education and advocacy, and some behind the scenes. And we'll go more in the content planner of exactly what that looks like. No matter what your content strategy is, using a content planner is a great way to get some organization and strategy behind it. So I'm super excited to walk through the free content planner Nonprofit Marketing Nerd is giving out just for you. So come along and I'll walk you through.
I'm super excited to show you the Nonprofit Marketing Nerds content calendar that we actually use with all of our nonprofit partners in scheduling out and planning social media. So I'm going to walk you through each step. And again, this is entirely free in the link below, a free resource your nonprofit organization can use to level up your social media. So I'm first going to look. Again, this is month by month. You could either do 2 things. You can extend it or you can duplicate each sheet, so you have a new sheet for each month. And here you can select your post type. For post type, you can have anything from photo, which would be a single photo dump, which is a group of photos. One thing I recommend nonprofits do is to not just use a photo once, to go back and find all your best performing photos and then to reuse them as a photo dump, a group of photos. A Canva graphic, again, that should be 30% or less of your overall content. Watch this about why nonprofits should stop using Canva. Live video, my recommendation is at least 1 time per month you are scheduling out and planning your live video. Even if it's just a talking head video, this is transformative for your nonprofit's marketing and to reach your target audience. Long video, that would be an edited video like this, maybe on YouTube, maybe on LinkedIn. Short, maybe as part of a campaign. A short video, that would be 60 seconds or less, depending on the platform. A carousel, which tends to be for Instagram. And then finally, scheduling out or planning stories ahead of time. And this could also be to remind yourself you need to do these things. What I like to do, usually like a couple weeks before the next month, to start by planning out, doesn't mean I can't planning out an entire month of social media. I'll not be starting with post type, I'll be starting with my content pillars. And these again are the pillars of your social media marketing. Let's say I want to do a thank you. 20% of my content, I want to be thank yous. I've decided that. I'm going to go ahead and mark thank you every single Thursday. Every Thursday and select that I'm going to have a pillar content of thank you. Every single Thursday, I'm going to know I need to post a thank you. And if I don't have one readily available, then I need to come up with one. As you can see, this is where you can go ahead. One of the things that often happens, I know it does for our clients, is especially if you're the person, but you're not the executive director or program director, we'll send you a bunch of stuff all at once. And usually at nonprofits, what we do is we go and post that as soon as we get it. Here is a great way to trickle that out over time and make sure you're consistently sharing a message. You have a big campaign in March. Instead of posting all your thank yous all in one day and kind of diluting it, go ahead and schedule out. You have all those pictures, and let's say I got a gift from the Community Foundation. So concept, I want to thank Community Foundation. And then I also that exact same day got a donation from Juanita Smith. So then I'm going to post Juanita Smith, and I'm going to remember to thank her. And I know I got a picture from her. So I know that the executive director sent over a picture of the program director, a program participant, and Juanita. Remind myself that there's that photo. And I'm going to go ahead and attach that photo right here with a link. Save it to Google Drive, attach it. And when I come back to plan out, I can go ahead and write my copy there. Then it's all in one place. So again, here you can select the post type. You can select the platform. Again, what platform you're on, this is not the place for it, but what platform you're on depends on the mission, the goals of your organization and where you've kind of already started. So talk about that in this video. So go ahead and subscribe if you want information on what platform should you be on. Have Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram, which tend to be the ones nonprofits use, especially 501c3s. And then maybe if your organization is ready for it and has already robust marketing on those other platforms, YouTube or TikTok. Doing one social media platform well is better. So it is 100% okay if all it is Facebook and maybe one or two LinkedIn. Totally okay. Do one platform well and show where your target audience is. And here you have status. So idea in progress is especially helpful for if you have multiple people working on your same content, if you've got 500 things running on. So you might put in progress if you work with an outsourced video editor, or if you've sent out an email reminding people to get the thing but haven't. Okay, so here, ideally you'd be sitting down. I batch out content for multiple organizations, all sitting down on one day, once a week. This might be your Friday reward, and every Friday you just work on your social media and scheduling it out. Even just a week or two ahead of time, when you first lay out your content pillars, is going to be life-changing for your organization. Here are the recommended content pillars you use. How much of each depends on your marketing plan or where you want to go as an organization. If you don't have one, shoot me a DM. But first a marketing plan, then you decide what content pillars are based on your goals, what platforms you are on based on your goals, and you use this, again, free download below, to plan out your content, hopefully using a scheduler. And voila, you are already one step closer to getting people to know and care about your organization, which that is the goal of social media, is to connect with your constituents or your potential donors and get them knowing and caring about your organization.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you did, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and make sure to commit to leveling up your nonprofit's marketing and storytelling online by downloading the free template I just walked through, 100% free, in the link below, where you can start planning out your content for your nonprofit social media today.